If you're just starting out on YouTube and you have no idea where to go, what to do for the next 100 days, stick around. I've got a whole roadmap that I'm going to walk through. What is going on, everyone? My name is Jordan Anderson. I've made over $125,000 selling online courses and making content and monetizing that content. Let's start with videos 1 through 25. What should you be thinking about? What are you trying to focus on making your first 1 through 25 videos? The first thing you need to focus on is understanding your video production process. At this point, you just need to figure out how to make a video. Plain and simple, from point A to point B. Whether that's using your phone, whether that is setting up your microphone, camera set up like this, whether that is even just figuring out how to edit. What editing software should I use? Should I use CapCut? Should I just do everything on my phone? Am I making shorts? Am I making TikToks? Am I making long form? Am I making a video podcast? You have to first just kind of figure that out. Do I know how to make content? Do I know how to just make videos? That's your first 5 videos, your first 25 videos, I'm sorry. I want you to really just hit publish. Make video number 1, hit publish. Accept the fact that it's going to be bad. It's okay. At this stage, you're learning how to shoot, edit, making one video. I'll read it now. Making one video might take you an entire week. That's okay. What I've been telling creators is it's going to take you 20 to 30 hours inside an editing suite, whether that's Adobe Premiere, CapCut, DaVinci, Filmora, whatever these editing softwares are today. It's going to take about 20 to 30 hours of just diving in, watching YouTube tutorials, watching the lessons. Maybe you're watching $1 Million Edit, and you're just trying to figure out how to do this. What do I need to do? Where are the buttons? How do I cut a video? How do I slice a video? How do I export the video? And then how do I get it up onto YouTube or TikTok or whatever the platform is? That is videos 1 through 25. So if you can make it that far, I'm proud of you. Great job. Now let's talk about videos 26 through 50. Your focus at that point is finding your voice. You've gotten the reps, you've been in front of the camera a little bit, you're starting to get a little bit more comfortable. Maybe you're starting to, you got a little ChatGPT script template that's kind of your go-to. From 26 to 50, you are just solely working on delivery. You're just working on camera presence, making eye contact. Maybe you got a teleprompter. Maybe you're, hi, I'm Jordan. How to sit up straight, tall, voice control, all that stuff. There's a little bit of acting when you're talking straight to camera. So it's just working on your delivery. Part of being memorable and entertaining is being able to speak clearly and interject your personality. You have your own jokes. You're going to start to make your own inside jokes with your audience. Get comfortable on camera. And again, that just takes reps. That's videos number 26 through 50. Now you've made your 50th video. Let's move on to video 51 through 75. This is optimizing your process. This is figuring out where can I cut corners? What are the bottlenecks? What's slowing me down? What is taking the most time? Most people at this point, they'll recommend that you go hire a video editor or go to Upwork or go design your thumbnails. If you don't have that kind of money, if you don't have that kind of budget, then that is off the table. So you just have to figure it out. Like I did, you have to figure it out yourself. How do I design thumbnails? How do I record videos? How do I hook up the audio software? How do I just set up a process where I'm on OBS right now where I can just sit down, open my computer up, open this program, hit record, and just start talking and start recording. Not this whole setup, get the light stands out, make sure the script is perfect. Right now, this is a tweet. This is a tweet I wrote last week that I'm just making content from. This is how fast you can make the process. And once I'm done recording this, I'm going to make a quick thumbnail and put it out on YouTube. That's how fast, that's what you need to start to figure out. How can I write this faster? Can I do a ChatGPT template? Can I create a ChatGPT prompt that I can use for all my scripts in the future? Editing, shooting, one thing about shooting is set up your camera. Always it's like the people that want to learn guitar, but they always have their guitar in the case, in the closet, on the top shelf. Instead, the people who really are good at guitar have their guitar out there. It's propped up. You see it all the time. If you want to read more, put your books out more. If you want to play the guitar more, put your guitar out more. If you want to record more videos, have your camera always set up, ready to go. It's when I come in here, it's one switch, one button, hit record, and I'm ready to go. So now that you have done all of those videos, now we're coming up on our last 25 videos. Not last 25 videos, but videos 76 through 100. Your focus at that point is to become a marketing genius. You've got enough reps. You maybe have an audience going right now. You might be at like 500 subscribers. Maybe you're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Know what your audience wants, so it's time to double down. You've been in the comments with them. You've chatted with them. You've had DMs with them. Maybe you've had some one-on-one coaching sessions or coaching calls with them, or just, hey, can I talk to you? Can I pick your brain? What's working? What do you like about this stuff? Most people reserve those kind of like one-on-one conversations with just their customers and say, I don't have any customers, so why do I need to do a customer survey, or why do I need to do a customer interview? Go interview your audience. If someone leaves a comment and you are able to find them on Twitter, go into their Twitter DMs, go into their Instagram DMs, and ask them questions. Hey, I saw that you're a big fan. You're always leaving comments. Thanks for the support. What do you like the most? What is interesting about this? What topics do you like? Just have a conversation with them. Take what they say, copy those words exactly. It's an old copywriting trick. So if I hear a customer, I hear them say a specific phrase, and I add that specific phrase into my sales page, into my sales pitch, so that then they hear those words and they go, oh, I think just like that. So take what your audience is saying and use that to make content. And then the next part is improving your titles, improving your hooks, improving your thumbnails. This is getting into the click-through rate, impressions. This is the top line, top of funnel marketing angles that you're trying to figure out. Okay, let's do some A/B tests with thumbnails. How can I create a better title? How can I optimize my thumbnails? Maybe you've got the process down of creating thumbnails, so now you need to either one, go to a thumbnail designer, or start to figure out, get those skills, get those Photoshop skills, so you can start to make thumbnails that are compelling, interesting, that start the story, that kind of pique interest of your audience. And then also figuring out your hooks. How do you start your video? How do you keep your audience engaged? How do you keep them watching until the very end? All of those things to think about. So that is it. That is videos 1 through 100. Give it a shot. Focus on the right things at the right time. Don't try to focus on everything. Don't become a marketing genius when you haven't even made 10 videos. Don't worry about getting faster at video editing if you only have 20 videos done. Focus on what you need to focus on when you need to focus on them. Go back and watch this video, save it, go through the chapters again to figure out what you need to focus on. If you're a digital creator and you've made it this far into the video, I want you to leave a comment down below and tell me what video you are at right now. How many videos do you have under your belt? Do you have 10? Do you have 5? Are you making your first video? Let me know in the comments. Comment below with the number. My name is Jordan Anderson, and I'll see you guys on the next one.